Welcome to Blanchard Car Show. Hopefully there's more coming in. So over here and get this one. At least these people are out of the way.
Had that sheet there. They put a turbocharger on it down there, and they did just a few of them. So I got his signature showing that they did the modification and stuff. Yeah, I don't get out too often, but you still have the vest? Yeah, still got that. Something more in the corner. Yeah. I bought me another car here.
Excuse me?
65 Shelby Daytona. We got those car haul. How's things with you guys?
Okay. She drives that 57 blue T-Bird, and he drives that blue GTO.
Oh yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
It might be a small car, but it can hold a lot.
Yes, yes. It's all good. Big car. A lot of people use these for derby cars. 227. I like the color. Too high yet? Definitely have to put music in this. At least part of it. It's a big truck. Hey, thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button.